Okay, come on, Jimmy. Okay, you want to take the cart to Grandma? Are you ready? Okay, up. Good boy. Go around, go around, go around. Up, push the cart. Come on, push the cart. No. Wait. What's wrong with your cart? Okay, come on. It was stuck. Okay. Good boy. Push the cart. Come on, push the cart. Come on. Come around. Come on. Come on. One last time. Come on, push the cart. Okay, good boy. Push it. Push it. Good boy. You did it. Okay. Now, we're going to do it for the big prize. And while you hang on to Grandma's cart, Mommy's getting your big prize. It's a pepperoni. Okay, so let's take the cart down the hallway. Okay. Okay. Come on. Okay, come around. Come around. Okay, we're going to take the cart to Grandma. Okay. Go get it. No, go get it. Whoops. Okay. Come here, Jimmy. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Come on. The other way. You have to go around. You're pushing. Come here. This way. Okay, wait. Come around. Come around. Come around. Okay. I'm going to push the cart. Come on. Okay, come on. You have to push the cart to Grandma. Come on. Come around. Okay, ready? Bring Grandma the cart. Come on, push it. Okay, come around. Come on, up, push the cart. Give it to Grandma. Good boy. You did it. Now Grandma has a cart.